Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a little bit different. It's kind of like a day in my life video, and I am doing some quick speed cleaning around the house. Typically, this is what my house looks like on a daily basis. I've just got some dishes to put away. I've got vacuuming typically to do on a daily basis. So I know a lot of my videos are complete disasters. There's a lot of extreme cleaning, but realistically, most of the time my house actually does look pretty presentable. So I did want to show that to you guys, because if you look at some of my other videos, you would probably think that I live in a pigsty all the time, but that's just not the case. I record those videos when I am trying to complete a huge project, a task, something around the house. So like I said, this video is kind of a day in the life. So the very first clip you got to see me take my kids to school. Once I get back, I usually start to get ready. I do my hair, do my makeup, get dressed, and actually start to look presentable. Then afterwards, I start doing my daily cleaning routine, and then I have to sit down typically and do some work, take some phone calls, make some phone calls, and just kind of get my work tasks done. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Halina. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY home renovation. And if you guys enjoyed this type of content, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel.
You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
I would love to hear from everyone in the comments below. What are you guys doing today? What is your cleaning? What do you need motivation? And how is your day going?
bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you, but you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
After I finished up on the dishes, I had to clean the refrigerator. There are always little tacky little handprints all over it for my kids. So that I feel like is something that I'm constantly cleaning. As well as my cabinets. I'm constantly wiping down my cabinets because you guys can see that they're white and you can see dirt everywhere on them.
It's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive. I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
I would also love to hear everyone's opinion. I have thought about changing my channel name from Mom Kraze, which just kind of started off like very nonchalantly. I wasn't expecting to do a lot on there. So I was thinking of changing it from Mom Kraze, which is a spinoff of my kids channel, Kid Kraze, to my name, which would be Halina Sophia. But I just don't know if everyone can spell my name, if it's gonna be an easy thing to find. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do. Should I keep it as Mom Kraze since I've already made so many videos under that? Or should I change the channel name to Halina Sophia? Like I said, I'm just concerned that people may not be able to spell it. It may not be the easiest thing to find.
We got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this
So I ended up getting these cute little Valentine's Day blankets at Aldi. I think they were $7.99 about a week ago. And I have to say they feel really awesome because they're just like super soft. I feel like I should have stocked up on the different designs, not necessarily just for Valentine's Day because they had something that would have went well for Easter, but I am hoping that they do have a nice Easter design come out soon.
live on forever. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Also, these throw pillows were originally for my daughter's bedroom, but somehow they ended up downstairs because they are super soft. I should probably get another set of 2 throw pillows for the other couch just because we're always using them.
I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
cleaning, I made myself a really quick lunch and decided to make some ground turkey real fast, like a turkey patty. And then I love jalapenos, so I put jalapenos literally in everything because I love everything super spicy. And then just put it on a keto bun. So after I was done eating, I went actually into my office and I had to work on a site plan for a property that we own. We are doing improvements on that, so it does need some drawings. If you guys don't know, my background is actually architecture. I went to school to be an architect, so I am very familiar with designing and, you know, construction and things like that. And once I was done working in my office, I actually took my laptop upstairs because I needed some sunlight. I just wanted some vitamin D. And so I took my laptop upstairs and then I started working from upstairs on different type of work. I was done with the plan. So I had to respond to emails, start making phone calls and things like that for the day.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be.
So I had to go through my purse because it was actually pretty disgusting in there. It was just full of like grocery receipts. So I wanted to get that organized and make sure that it was cleaner, and then I actually had room in my purse.
Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long. Want you all night long. Want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
So I wanted to show you guys my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works. It's called White Tea and Sage, and it smells so good. It is like a very calming, not overpowering scent, and it's like very relaxing. We have this everywhere, all over my house. I want to hear from you guys. Like, what is your favorite scent from Bath and Body Works?
Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night.
If you guys enjoy cleaning, organizing, and decluttering, Clean With Me videos for cleaning motivation, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel.
Give me all your love.